What is timeboxing? Definition of timeboxing. Timeboxing is a time management strategy that assigns fixed time periods to tasks, promoting focus, discipline, and progress without overworking. Purpose of timeboxing. It helps structure your day by creating time limits for tasks, encouraging better productivity, reduced distractions, and balanced work hours. Key benefits of timeboxing. Boosts focus, reduces procrastination, prevents burnout, encourages accountability, and ensures a well-structured, productive schedule. Steps to implement timeboxing. Start by listing tasks, estimating time requirements, scheduling time boxes, prioritizing breaks, sticking to the schedule, and reviewing your progress. Examples of timeboxing. Use timeboxing for activities like personal tasks, e.g. exercise, professional tasks, e.g. meetings, or studies, e.g. focus study sessions. Comparison with other techniques. Timeboxing provides high flexibility for various tasks, compared to Pomodoro, short sprints, and time blocking, detailed, rigid planning. Timeboxing in project management. In agile methodologies, timeboxing supports sprint planning, efficient meetings, and prioritizing high-value tasks to meet deadlines. Role of time tracking software. Time tracking software enhances timeboxing by tracking progress, monitoring productivity, setting custom alerts, and providing data-driven insights. Benefits for work-life balance. Timeboxing balances work and life by dedicating specific time for family, hobbies, and personal activities, setting clear boundaries. Overcoming timeboxing challenges. To address challenges like underestimating task time or distractions, start small, group similar tasks, and use tools like time tracking software. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and follow us on social media platforms.